A pleasant day to all of our listeners. This is Katlea Marie.
And this is Derek Pagel.
And today we are going to talk about the Blue Ribbon Committee. So, unsa man ang Blue Ribbon Committee? Well, Blue Ribbon Committee is an organization na naga-investigates about shady projects na ma-happen diri sa Philippines. For an instance, katong Ghost Project, which affected millions of Filipinos na dapat kanang mawala na unta sila sa effect sa baha or maiwasan nila ang effect sa baha pag rainy season na or kanang pag naay bagyo. And mahitabo na siya tungod kay gidagan or gibulsa sa mga contractors ang kwarta na dapat makapabuild unta sa construction para makaiwas sa sila sa effect sa baha. Well, on October 8, 2025, Senator Cayetano was asked if he was satisfied with the ongoing investigation done by the Blue Project Committee para sa mga ghost projects. His answer is no.
And the reason for his dissatisfaction in which he said no during the press con, because he wanted information from the projects because it was very shady and he was not satisfied with the results. He wanted specific results from 2024 to 2025 para ma-hand-eye niya ang each of the projects and ma-trace down niya from the very start kung unsay nahitabo and what happened that affected the Filipinos, because it was already a shady project. A lot of things happened in the Philippines and he was not satisfied by the fact that a lot of Filipino lives were affected, even lives rather.
So when the reports came out, ano lang siya, bali names lang siya sa mga officials na nasangkot ana nga ghost project. However, it was not really revealed kung kanusa siya nahitabo. So hence, that's why Senator Cayetano was not satisfied, because what's the point of the ghost project coming out now when actually nahitabo pa siya long time ago pa. And his reasoning was, nahitabo lang ni siya or napagawas lang ang ghost projects because dako kay to nga situation nga nahitabo sa Bulacan, when in fact na dapat na ay bridge mabuild dito sa ilahang nga place para dili na moabot og liog ang ilahang baha, pero pag abot ni BBM dito kay wala siya nakita na bridge. Hence, for the past few years, pila lang ka percentage ang nakuha sa pondo, pero karon it is a 100% ghost project na jud siya kay wala jud nahimo.
And by that reason talaga nag-iingon ni Katlea, it was already stated there na ahag yun padulungay ang kwarta sa bayan, ahag yun padulong ang taxes, ang effort sa mga Filipinos para lang maka-create og better future para sa mga future Filipinos, mga future youth nato sa Philippines. So makaingon gyud ta na ghost project gyud siya kay ahag gyud ang kwarta, nawala ra gyud siya kalit. Nag-expect gyud ta og bridge, nag-expect ta og mga constructions na makapabetter sa environment. But what happened today? It may seem like gipanghakot na lang tanan sa mga contractor, di ba? So mura gyud siya dako gyud kay siya na epekto sa mga lives sa mga Filipinos.
Yes, Derek, that is right. So this concludes our podcast for today. Again, I am Katlea Marie.
And I am Derek Pagel.